Vampire bats, specifically Desmodus rotundus, are unique among bats for their blood-sucking habits. These small creatures, weighing only about 2 ounces, have specialized adaptations that allow them to thrive in the darkness of night. Using sophisticated heat sensors in their noses, they can detect blood vessels just beneath the skin of sleeping animals, making them skilled predators. Once they locate a potential victim, they use their sharp, elongated teeth to make a small incision, sipping blood rather than draining it entirely.